5 myths people have after a wildfire. Number 1 is it's too late. I can't collect, it's already too late. The deadline already came and went, it's too late. No, that is a myth. 4 years later, this week, after the Camp Fire, we are still sending in claims, and the insurance company, by God's grace, they're still accepting those claims. So it is not too late for you to be able to reopen your claim. And why would you want to reopen your claim? Well, if you're part of the LNU or CCU, you have plenty of reasons to reopen your claim and dig a little deeper and see what else you have. So most people from LNU and CCU, they have not been paid limits on their personal property. They have been paid only a percentage of that, 30, 40, sometimes 50%, but not much more after that. Then there is also money on the dwelling. There is money on the extended replacement cost. There's money on code upgrades, and there is still money, if you're part of the LNU or CCU, there may still be money from your dwelling, from your limits. If you're part of the Camp Fire was paid limits on the dwelling, but they were not paid on the extended replacement cost for the most part, and they were not paid on code upgrades. So it is not too late. Give us a call. We can reopen your claim. We are collecting hundreds of thousands of dollars on extended replacement costs, code upgrades, and personal property. So if you were part of the Camp Fire, some insurance companies only pay 75% on personal property. So like Nationwide, CIG, State Farm, USAA, you would know, I was only paid 75%. We can still write your inventory and help you collect the additional 25%. If you're part of Santa Cruz or CCU, like I stated before, there's probably a lot more on your policy on personal property. That is the first myth. It's too late. The second myth is if I did not rebuild, I cannot collect. No, that is a myth. We can still collect even though you did not rebuild. The home that you purchase is utilized as the home that you replace with, just like if you would have rebuilt. So there's still money on extended replacement costs. There's still money on code upgrades that we can collect. And in some cases, there is still money that is left over on things that you may want to do to the new home to make it like it was. I had a family this week that put in a pool. Well, they spent over $100,000 on that pool. They're entitled to that money to come back to them. There is another family from 2 weeks ago. They are redoing their kitchen and their bathrooms, and they have estimates of about $75,000. They have 3 bathrooms and a kitchen, and they're going to be doing that work. There's money on their extended replacement costs, and then they're going to do some work for their code upgrades. They're putting in solar, they're putting in new impact windows. We will let you know exactly once we do the review what you have left on your policy. It costs you nothing to send an email. We are public insurance adjusters. We're licensed by the Department of Insurance. We will send you our credentials. You can go on our website and check us out, but we will send you our credentials, license number, and everything else. I've been doing claims 35 years, and I have helped thousands of families with their claims. We specifically are working right now the wildfires, and that's all that we are doing, total loss, and we have thousands of people that we have helped as a team, California Disaster Advocates. We have combined over 200 years of experience